If you're learning about vibe coding in 2026 and wondering how to start a one-person business, you should get to know us. And if you're paying 5 different subscriptions for AI models and API keys, I highly recommend you cancel all that and start using us today. Introducing Enter.Pro, a powerful AI agent for developing apps, websites, and tours. It requires zero coding experience, and it provides full-stack development, secure cloud storage, user interface fine-tuning, and AI auth capability that allows you to use all major AI models in the world for text, image, and video generations. Now, let's say you want to build an app with the ability to generate AI contents. Usually what you will do is to visit different large language models' website, create accounts, get API keys, and recharge some balances to make sure that it runs smoothly. Now, you can quit all that simply by having one Enter.Pro account. Start a project, connect to Supabase, enable AI auth capability. Voila! I have only spent 10 minutes on building a fully functioning AI Navigator app. Every time I ask a question, 3 AI models will answer at the same time. You know, there's so many other things you can build with Enter.Pro, such as a data analysis tool, nostalgic macOS, a 3D interactive website for your company's landing page, and even a music player with full subscription plans. Now, it is your turn to start the grand exploration on Enter.Pro. Tell us what you think in Discord to earn free credits. Happy vibe coding! See ya!